So here we are at the Practical Classics Car and Restoration Show, Hall 3A. Let's go in and have a look. Porsche Boxster at the entrance. Mini GP. Fiat Uno Turbo. Don't see many of these anymore. Now with a P.O. Williams with a flat tyre. Nice Ferrari. Toyota MR2 Mark II in green. Here we have TVR Cerber Speed 6 4 litre. 4-seater coupe. Mercedes-Benz SL 55 AMG. So it's the SL 55, well, that's the earlier version. Late ones have the 6.3. Strada, Abarth, and red. BMW E36 M3 Cabriolet. So, BMW Z4. And a Z3 with some aftermarket headlamps. BMW E30 racing car. Here's a Mini with an aftermarket grille. Mercedes R129 SL 500 1996. MGR Woodcote Green. BMW 635 CSI. Nice Mini, metallic blue. Some molded in arches. There's a kit car. Like a Lotus 7, but it's not. Golf Mark 1 GTI Cabriolet. Mini 1275 GT. So here's some Golf Mark 2 GTIs, barn finds. Black one and a green one. Jaguar, missing work. BMW 540i 1995. Take a barn find. Got some rust on it. There's a tow bar on it. Golf GTI in green. Another 16 valve one in silver. Here's another P.O. Williams This one's the Williams 2. From the days when Williams and Renault were in partnership with the touring cars. And in Formula 1 we had the Williams engine, the Renault engines. BMW E24 635 CSI. Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren.
So it's more the cars really that are in it. Yeah.
Porsche 911s. Mini Cooper S in green. Renault Clio Sport 182, 2 litre, 16 valve. Herbie Beetle, replica. Newspaper door cards. Augusto roof. Deep dish alloys. Deep dish wheels. Carmen gear in green. An Audi Quattro in pearlescent white. Toyota Sleeker GT4. MGTF 135 on a 07 plate. It's quite a late one. Some nice interior, a few mods in there. Tonneau cover. Could be one of the run-off models, that one being on an 07. So it's finished off by the receivers. I think that interior is original though. Toyota Sleeker. Later models. Toyota Supra. 40 grand on for that one. Mercedes-Benz Coupe. Sold is this one. AMG GTS. Nice early Mini. Mini Estate. And the Mini pickup.
Do you like this one?
TVR Skigaris. So we have a TVR Cigaris. Orange flip paint. Mini Cooper 35. One bug. Clan Crusader. Funny looking thing. Some Simcas. and Spridgets, Austin Healey sprites, and an MG midget. Rover Sterling, Astra Cabriolet, there's Porsche around the level, being worked on. Lotus Europa, body shell, and the chassis. Talbot Sunbeam Lotus, and a rally car shell. MGA, and an MGB cutaway. Fiat X19s. Have a Tiger roof that fits under the bonnet. Nice row of minis, R50, R56. Some Scirocco's, various generations. Notice the screen. Reading a fish. BMW convertible with a hardtop. Opel Kadett SR, like the Mark 1 Astra, the Opel Kadett version. They still sold them as Opels back in those days. Peugeot 106 GTI in Diablo Red, which is the facelift Series 2. So 1.6 16 valve engine. Trophy yellow MGF. Toyota Sleeker Cabriolet. It's been imported where it's sold in the convertibles in this country. Morris Mini Mark 1. Renault 5 GT Turbo. Porsche 996 Carrera, cut in half. Porsche Boxster, space frame. See all the running gear. MGF on the register stand, and MGTF. Rare Triumph Tracer Estate. Maestro police van. Rover Tomcat coupes, 220 turbo, Rover 200 BRMs, MG SV, the Mustang V8. I was taking the front end off, called carbon fibre. An SVR Mini Cooper. estate because of over 100 cavalry. The Peugeot turbo diesel engine, Renault Aventine, Mercedes SL, MVTF Cool Blue 1.6 engines, Rover 25 GTI, it's got a VVC engine. Not to confuse with a ZR. Toyota Celica. Toyota MR2s, Mark 1 and Mark 2 as a Mark 3. Mitsubishi 3000 GTO Cup. Marcus Motors. Porsches. Lotus wedges. Light scimitars. Sabra.